video, and in this video I'll be reviewing the Nest indoor security cam. So let's get into it. So first we're going to unbox the Nest cam to see what it comes with, and then we're going to go into details how to set it up and how the camera quality looks. Alright, let's open up the box to see what the camera comes with. So that's the camera itself. This is the mount. It's like a lighter black, I would say like a matte black type of color. That's the mount. Let's talk about the mount a little bit. So this is adjustable. You could actually twist it in a 180-degree angle. The bottom of the piece comes with the magnet. So this is where it goes to the wall mount. So this magnet piece will connect to the wall mount, which I'll show you in a minute. And this is actually removable. So you could actually remove this. So it comes out pretty much. So now we're going to put back the camera in there. The camera itself have two locks on the side. So you just place this in, push it, that's it. Now the camera is locked. Okay, that's the camera. So what else we got? So we got some Nest booklet, setup guide, Nest sticker, etc. So this is the mount piece I was talking about. So this metal piece actually goes right in here. So this one you could actually plug it into like any metal piece you have in your house. Could be a refrigerator, could be like a metal shelf you have, and you will just stick right in. For this is for the wall. So if you want to mount it into the wall, you have 3 screws that come with it. Screws like this. I have 3 of them in here. So this 3 screws goes 1, 2, 3, and you can mount it, and the camera goes right on top of it. And this is pretty easy to remove, so you could actually move it one place to another place if you want to. This is the power outlet, and it comes with the 10-foot micro USB. So the USB goes to the power, and this portion goes right behind the camera. So it'll be right over here. The only thing I wish this cord was black, so it would actually hide the white portion of the camera, and if the room is dark it will not stand out that much. But hey, it is what it is. What's up YouTube? So I already plugged into the Nest cam to the power outlet. Now it's ready to be set up. So I'm going to use my Samsung Galaxy S8, and I have the apps downloaded in here already, as you can see. So now we're going to add the camera, show you guys some features in the camera, and let you guys know why I like this camera so much. So the main reason I like this camera is because it's 1080p HD. I mean, it can't get any better. When you look at the picture quality, it's just awesome. So just take a look. So now first we're going to look for the device. We're going to click on add. So in order for you to add it, there's a little scan barcode on the back of the camera. So we're going to scan that barcode, and it will put us to the setup mode. So now it is asking for Wi-Fi password. Okay, click on next. It's asking for where this camera located. It's located in my living room. I'll click living room. Okay, some warning sign, make sure. Okay, continue. Is it plugged into the power outlet? Yes, next. So now it's looking for the camera. It's saying connecting. I'm sorry, can you guys see it? Okay. I mean, the connecting process takes about a couple of seconds. So yeah, like I was saying, why I like this camera is mainly, my main thing is the camera quality, the picture quality itself, 1080p HD, and the lag time from the actual time, it will be only like 2.5 seconds. I did a live test, and then the difference between the real time was and the camera time was about 2 seconds, 2.5 seconds. Okay, so the camera is activated now. Let's see. I saw the green lights on. Okay, so as you can see, the camera is on. So there we go. It's working. We're gonna go to the picture quality itself rather than doing it from my DSLR. We're going to take actual footage of the camera to show you guys how it works onto regular light vision and a night vision itself. So let's talk about the apps a little bit on this. So we're going to living room. You could actually turn on, turn off the camera. Alright, so like I was saying, this is the most simplest app that you could ever use. You could go to image quality. It's currently set up on auto, but you could do 360, 720, 1080p, depending on which category and picture quality you want. I have my night vision as auto, but you could, if you want, you could always keep it on always on. But auto is the way to go. Rotation images. So what it does, if you put the camera somewhere, you have to put it in where after setting up the camera, putting on a roof or somewhere where you're seeing the picture quality coming upside down. So you'll be able to click on this button and have the picture straighten out. Camera sharing. So if you have another camera that or you wanted to share this account with another family member, or manage it from home or work, like you have another Nets cam at work, you'll be able to do that. That's the 1080p you guys see from the Nets cam. So I'm going to turn off the lights now and show you guys that I'm going to turn off the lights now, show you guys how I look on the night vision. Alexa, turn off the living room.
Okay.
So this is actually the night vision. As you can see, my room is pitch dark, and you guys actually could. There we go. Okay, so the night vision, you could actually see the people in there, and you could actually see a clear shot. I mean, it can't get any better. I mean, it does the job. Whatever price you're paying you, it's worth it. Alexa, turn on the living room lights.
Okay.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. And do subscribe to my channel. Catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.